Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down how you can fix the WebGL feature or function not working in the Midori web browser. So let us dive into this. So usually guys, the WebGL feature here on Midori does work and is enabled on default. But if for any reason guys, you may, for example, accidentally have disabled it, let me show you how you can re-enable it. So you need to access your browser settings for this by clicking into that gear icon in the bottom left. Next, navigate to privacy and security to the left. And you can skip all of these and scroll down till you get to this option, disable WebGL. And as you can see, you can disable WebGL by simply selecting the checkbox to the left. If you don't do this, guys, WebGL will work here on Midori. So it's all about that setting here. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.